In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Warby Parker 5 frames for 5 days kit. Let's do it.
Nah, trying to bounce with me, run around town getting down for free, and I be sipping all day like a factory, making hits all day.
Hello, my name is J. Lou and welcome to another J. Lou review. Today I'm going to be sharing my experience of the Warby Parker 5 frames for 5 days kit. But before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more review videos just like this one. So if you're like me, you've probably neglected to wear glasses for a very long time. In fact, I probably should have been wearing glasses for the past 10 years, but I just haven't been that good about doing so. I've either lost them, broken them, or just didn't want to wear them. But see, it wasn't really a big deal for me because I could see very well up close. But when it comes to seeing far away, it's just a little bit more difficult, and I have to squint a lot. I know when I was living at home growing up, I'd be looking and squinting at the TV, and I could always hear my mom saying, "Wearing those glasses." So as I'm maturing and adulting, and in this new year, I wanted to make it a priority to take better care of myself, and I'm going to start with getting glasses this year. At church, I serve alongside someone who actually works at Warby Parker. Now, she was telling me a little bit about it, and I had never heard of this company before. But ever since she mentioned it to me, I've been seeing it everywhere. I've been seeing it on social media, I've seen ads on the internet, and I've even seen a commercial for it. So my first instinct was, okay, well, let's give it a shot. I need some glasses, so let's go online and check them out. Once you get to their website, they direct you to take a quiz. Now, this quiz asks you questions about your preferences for style, colors, even the materials that you like. Once you've completed this quiz, it gives you some different options to choose from. You could select up to 5 different frames to try out for free. Once you've done that, you create an account, put in your address, and they will ship them to you for free to try out for 5 days. Once I placed the order, it took about 5 days for it to deliver, and I've got the package here now. Apparently good things await. So when you open the box, what you'll find is a try-on home handbook just explaining how the process works, as well as a free return shipping label to send these back. Then you will see each of the individually packaged glasses, the frames itself. Each one has a sticker, a label on it, just showing which style it is, as well as the color. Pretty simple packaging, but nice and easy for you to remember. So the first one here is the Striped Pacific of the Hardy, but these kind of got a turquoise. Next one is the Sea Glass Gray of the Wilkie. These ones I really like. Wow, yeah, these are pretty cool. I like these a lot. Next is the Wilkie of the Greystone. I definitely like that Wilkie style. These ones are pretty nice. Kind of got a different colors in the frames there. Next is a Thurston Carbon. These are a little bit thinner. Just wanted to throw in a little bit different frame in there. And then lastly, the matte Black Eclipse of the Wilkie as well. These I really like too. So let's try some on. Well, that was a lot of fun, maybe a little bit too much fun. But on a more serious note, I do want to say that I really like these Warby Parker glasses. Again, it's been a long time since I picked up some glasses and actually put them on my face, and I found that all 5 of them were very comfortable, very stylish, and I like the way that they looked on my face. There are 2 that I like particularly the most, and they're both the Wilkies. One is the matte Black Eclipse, as well as the Sea Glass Gray, and I'll try them both on for you just so you can see another look. I really like the way that these feel. These are really nice, very comfortable. I like how it complements my face, and I like the matte finish on it. And then with the sea glass gray, these are kind of the more trendy ones. You know, the clear, kind of sophisticated look. I like it. Again, these are very comfortable on my face. I really like these a lot. So if you're in the market for some new glasses, I do recommend the Warby Parker lineup. You can go on their website, warbyparker.com, and check out the glasses that they have available. Basically how this will wrap up, I will send all of these glasses back, and I can go either to a Warby Parker store or go back online and give them my prescription, and I can purchase them from there. That's all I got for you. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if you have a pair of these glasses and which ones that you have, and also help me out decide which ones to pick. I mean, I like them both.